One pizza too many. Cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many, cooking and unboxing videos. Now, regular viewers of the channel will realise I'm not stood in my outside kitchen at home. I'm actually in a horse box. It's not just any horse box. I'm doing a collaboration today with Richie from Delicious Coffee, and this is his new coffee horse box, mobile horse box. So thanks for having us, Richie.
That's alright.
So we're doing a unboxing video of a Vesta pizza oven that Richie's going to be using in this horse box to take around festivals, to different places, selling coffee, pizza. What else do you sell?
Pies, pasties, kind of bit of ice cream.
Yeah.
Anything.
Nice. So pies, pasties, pizzas, all the P's. Okay, so let's have a look at the pizza oven. It's been delivered on a pallet, and we're going to get it set up in Richie's garden. And then we're going to get it fired up and see what all the fuss is about with these new Skillcraft Vestas. Right, so here it is, the Skillcraft Vesta on a pallet, well wrapped up by the looks of it. It's heavy, apparently. It's probably, what, 80 kilo, Richie? Yeah, about 80 kilo. And we've just taken his garden gate off the hinges, so hopefully we're going to get this into an area, into Richie's back garden, where we can unbox this, get it set up, get it fired up, and see what it's about. Let's go.
It's definitely heavy.
I got the heavy end. Right, now we've just wrestled with it into the garden. We're going to get it opened up and see what it's like, aren't we? Right, let's go. The big reveal. Let's hope it is a pizza oven and they've not just sent a pallet of bricks.
They could have sent me the wrong pallet, you never know.
Yeah, fingers crossed for a Vulcan instead under here. Oh, it's exciting.
It's a bit like party. Many layers.
Oh, there we go. Da, 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 da. And it is a Vesta. I can see the label. We've got a cover. Holy moly, it's still heavy. Spin it around. There we go. Nice. So on the top we've got the bit where the chimney goes, and inside for packing we've got the Simon cowl.
The log guard.
It's exciting, unpacking somebody else's pizza oven. With a bit of the chimney. Right, it's a bit damp as well. There's a bit of moisture. So I'll squash it. Comes with a free shield, so you can fight with your pizza paddle in one hand, and that's the door. It's got Vesta cut out nicely, CNC. Yeah, and the log guard. we have some paperwork. So a little bit about a wood burning oven, a little bit about getting a fire going, how to get it up to temperature, and that's it really. Yeah. So we're now going to have a bit of a move round. We're going to measure it up and we're going to get it into place. Tape measure time. Across the front we are at 807 mil, and then height up to this nice little ridge is 440 mil, and then depth is 700 mil, and it does sit on little feet which just raise it off by 40 mil, which is great because the feet are 72 centimeters apart, and also from the back the feet are 50 mil apart front to back. Now the cooking surface inside, okay, is 52 centimeters by 70 centimeters. Okay, so nice size. So the idea in this particular oven is you put the fire on the left hand side and the pizzas or whatever you're cooking on the right. So Richie's now going to basically finish off putting all the bits on, and then we'll bring you in a bit closer and we'll get a fire going.
Right, peel off some plastic and stick the bits together. So I'm assuming if we go like that, and then that bit on there. That certainly fits anyway.
Brilliant.
And then peely down here. Now log guard. Shoe pops in at a bit of an angle to fit, and then obviously door on the front. Just peel off all. And there we go. That's the door. Fits very nicely. I do like the little the Vesta cut out there. Then we've got the cover which came with this. Oh, it's in a nice little bag.
So I wonder if the cover's got a chimney cowl shape, so you can leave the chimney attached.
Leave the chimney on. Let's have a look.
I'll come in and say no. But is it big enough to put over?
I'd say it's just big enough to have the throw over the whole.
Or not, no.
No, so you have to.
It's going to be a
Cowl off. I suppose that fits inside the oven, doesn't it?
Yeah. The cover just seems a bit excessive though to me.
Yeah.
For, I suppose if it was on the stand, because you can actually buy a stand for this as well.
It would drop down
It'd
the
then
side,
drop
wouldn't
down.
it? Yeah, probably make more sense in the stand.
Yeah. So let us know if you've got one of these. Have you used the cover? Have you got it on the stand? Put some comments in the description below, let us know. Okay, so it's all set up now. All the plastic's been taken off it. I'm going to move you in. We're going to show you close-ups of the Vesta, and then we're going to get it lit. That's the exciting bit. So Richie's just skimmed through the paperwork that's come with it. We do need to run this on a sort of low sort of 2-hour burn. So basically I'm going to show you getting the fire going, and then we're going to leave it for the 2-hour burn basically, aren't we? Yeah, brill. Okay, so there we go. The log guard that Richie put in earlier. You can get this in the stainless steel, or you can pay extra and get a cast one, I think it is, isn't it?
Cast something.
Just give Richie the door to hold off camera. Okay, then you can also pay for an upgrade as well for inside, if you wanted to replace the refractory bricks with I think it's 4 sort of stone tiles that they use instead, but we've got the, as it comes with the bricks in, you'll see it's been powder coated, this exterior as well, to protect it from the weather, so hopefully it'll, and especially with it having little legs so it's sat up off, hopefully it won't rust if it's left out. Nice sort of Vesta cut out, CNC'd out of stainless, and also you've got a temperature gauge here as well to give you an idea of the temperature of the oven. So let's get a fire going. So Richie's just placing the wood, so we've got some nice hardwood kindling that we've got from Matt Richardson, Mr. Matt About Wood, thanks mate. So we've got some of the woolly firelighters, the eco firelighters, just placing in between, and we're just going to basically Jenga that up to give it some good airflow and get this first burn on. So we're starting the fire in the middle of the oven, and then you would move it to the side once it's going. So we'll let this get roaring. So this has now been going around 15-20 minutes.
Yeah, something like that.
It is really cold out here, it's about 4 degrees, so it is going to take some time to get up to temperature. However, I've stacked a few more up, it's going well. We're just going to knock it down now and we're going to basically spread the fire out a bit, and we're going to get a couple of logs on and get it going a bit. So we've got some kiln dried wood which we're going to put on, and I'm just going to place this log just at the side, just so it starts getting hot with the others. Right, so you'll see the temperature gauge up to it. It's now saying we're up to well, it's saying about 100 degrees, but I'd say it was a lot hotter than that. So really what we should have done at the start was unscrew the thermometer and actually calibrate it, but we'll live and learn. So we've got another log here that we've just had sat, so we're just going to lift this if I can, and instantly that's gone up like a rocket, that bad boy has, hasn't it? So we've got a little laser probe here that we've got, and we're just going to probe the stone just over sort of this side, and the stone is saying that it's at 191, and that's degrees C. And then right in the middle, yeah, we're up to 300, 350. So this has been going now about 40 minutes.
40 minutes, yeah.
So yeah, you can see it. It is cold out here. It is 4 degrees, maybe a bit lower. So I reckon this is going to take about an hour, and then you'd be good to go. Obviously, let's just have a look at how it looks with the door on, with the flames coming. With the flame, that looks good. I like the little detail with the cutouts and the Vesta.
Vesta's really nice, aren't they?
Right everybody, so that is the Skillcraft Vesta pizza oven. Let us know in the description if you've got one. Let us know what you think about this. One thing we did want to say is this has been on 45 minutes now, and I can put my hand on the outside. It is hot, warm, but it, you know, considering that that is right above where the fire's been, and I can put my hand on it, I would say it would get hotter. The sides are fine, completely not that hot at all. So
the back's completely cold. There's no heat escaping out the back. Well insulated.
Yeah, so that's a real plus point. So yeah, so let us know in the comments about Skillcraft and their ovens if you've got one. Let us know what you like cooking in them. One thing we would say is Skillcraft, for those of you that don't know, is a British company. Dave and Lisa that are on a lot of the Facebook groups that we're on, particular one that Lee runs, Food for the Flame. That's where we've seen this, and Richie's kind of decided to go and get one from. So thanks to you guys. So make sure you do leave a comment and let us know, and make sure obviously you're hitting subscribe, and you're not going to miss any pizzas that are getting cooked then on the next sort of videos in the future once Richie's got it sorted in his horse box.
Yep.
Brilliant. And obviously massive thanks to Richie Delicious Coffee for having us over and letting us unbox his pizza oven, because obviously I've not got one of these, so thanks mate.
You're welcome.
It's been good.
No, it's good fun.
One pizza too many.